Terri of the Yarnjoy podcast. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 20. Oh my goodness, we're in the 20s now. Okay, so let's just get into it, and I'm going to open my box for Day 20. This is the Vlogmas swap that I'm doing with Valerie of Valerie's Cuddly Cat Crochet. I will link her channel below. So we have box number 20. So let's open it up and see what we got for today. It's another challenge kit. Oh my goodness. Okay. Ooh, pretty colors. Okay, so I have a green ball, very bright green, real pretty, and a pink. Oh, didn't that think reminds me of like spring, green and pink. Okay, and then I have a little envelope in here to give me the accessories that goes with the kit. So let's open that up and see what we got this time. We have, come out. Ah, it's cute. It's a pink safety nose. And that's all that's in there. Okay. So that is my accessory, is the pink safety nose and whoop, the pink and green colors. Okay, two colors to use. Awesome. Okay, so the movie that I watched today was Little Women. This is the version that has Winona Ryder in it and Christian Bale. I was going to say Slater. That's not right. Christian Bale, yeah. I really enjoy that version. I have seen the old one that has Katharine Hepburn in it, and Elizabeth Taylor, I think, plays Amy in that. That's a real old one. And that one's good. But this one is the one I watched with Winona Ryder, and Susan Sarandon is in it. She plays the mom. It is on Amazon Prime is where I watched it. So if you have Amazon Prime, it's free to watch over there. Okay, so that is what I watched, and I worked on challenge kits while I was doing that because I wanted to finish up the bear because I had another challenge kit that I needed to get started on. So I'm glad I did, since I got another challenge kit for today. So I finished the challenge kit 2 challenges ago. So this is the one that I got a ball of blue yarn. I got a pair of safety eyes and a safety nose, and then I got a Santa hat button. Okay, so this is what I came up with. Isn't he cute? This is a free tutorial here on YouTube. The name of the channel is Amiru World or Amigoo World, something. I'll link it below in the description box, but it's such a cute tutorial. I think he turned out really cute, and he's got a little tail on the back, and the way that the legs are attached, now they're not attached. I could have done it that way, where you take the yarn and attach it like one leg and then run it all the way through the body and attach it to the other. But I didn't do that. I went ahead and just followed the tutorial, but I could have done it that way. That's an idea. But they do move, you know, the way they're attached. And so I can get him to sit down, and the tail back here kind of acts like a prop, and it helps him to sit up. But anyway, I think he turned out really cute. And so what I did is, the blue is the blue ball of yarn that I was included in the kit. I added the brown and the white for the muzzle. I did use the safety nose and the safety eyes. I think that's really cute. The safety nose is brown. You see that? And the eyes are black, but I think it looks really cute that way. And then, of course, so the blue was the ruffled collar that I put on the bear. That was part of the pattern. And then, of course, I didn't use all the blue, so I'm going to keep the blue, put it in this little box. I'm collecting my leftover, like, challenge kit yarn, and then I'm going to use that to make more things to donate to the Garfield Make-Along. So anyway, so the blue is what I used, and then the Santa button is right here. And what I did is I just attached it to this ruffle. I didn't know what else to do with it for sure. And so that's what I did. And he will sit down since, like I said, you have that tail that kind of props him up in the back. Anyway, I think he turned out really cute. I really like the proportions and everything of the arms and the legs. The sizing, I think, worked really well. I used worsted weight yarn and an E-hook, which is a 3.5 millimeter. Okay, so there is my challenge kit complete for that one. Okay, and then since I had already received a challenge kit on Saturday, okay, so that challenge kit that I got on Saturday had a pink ball of yarn, a safety nose, a little length of a string of like fake pearls, and a hair bow, one of those little tiny mini, I guess they're like for dolls or something. Actually, no, either that or they're like, it's kind of like those little tiny hair bows that groomers put on like poodles and stuff, you know. It's got a rubber band in the back. Maybe that's what it was. I think I saw Valerie where she had a video where she talked about, and that she had ordered like a package of those, and she uses them to decorate dolls with. And so so one of those little bows was in there, and I think that was, let me think, I think that was all that was in the challenge kit. So I was thinking, well, when I saw the string of pearls and the little bow and the pink, I was thinking maybe I can find some sort of amigurumi that's got like a pink top worked into the pattern, or a pink dress. And then I thought, and then the hair bow, then I thought, well, maybe a rabbit, because I could like put the hair bow around like one of the ears of the rabbit. I thought that would be cute. And then maybe, you know, put then that string of pearls would be like a necklace, or a trim on the dress. You know, I have all these different possibilities. And then, so that's what I thought. I thought, oh, maybe but then I thought, well, I could use the pink, and I could use the pink as the body color of whatever I'm making, like a little pig, or a bear, or make the rabbit pink, you know, a pink bunny. But then, so I was looking around and I found a tutorial. I think it's DIY 100 ideas, something. I think maybe that's the one. I'll link it below in the description box. But that tutorial is for this cute little bunny. Well, it's pretty big because she used blanket yarn. I'm not using blanket yarn. I'm using worsted weight. But it's a bunny that's got like a pink, like a tutu kind of, I guess, outfit, because it's like a tank top, sleeveless. Yeah, it's sleeveless, and there's like a ruffle skirt, so it's kind of like a tutu, I guess, a ballet dress, I don't know. But anyway, so that's what I'm using, and so then I'll just put the accessories on there. So that's what I started while I was still watching Little Women. And so I got an ear done. And oh, and this bunny, I'm trying to think. I haven't gotten a picture of it yet. I'll take a screenshot picture, and then I will insert it right here so you can see what this bunny is going to look like, okay? Okay, so that is it. And as you saw in the picture, it was made with blanket yarn. I'm using worsted weight. So I have an ear, and the ears go down. They don't stick up, okay? And I have the back leg, the legs, see the little feet, the legs, and I have the arms also. I'm just going by the tutorial, okay? So I had to make the arms first, and then I had to make the legs, and now I'm making the ears, and so I made one ear. Now I gotta reverse it back and make the second ear following the tutorial, and I think the body is after that. So I don't know, since the pattern's not written in the description, I'm just going by the tutorial. So I'm not sure. Now, I did have to flatten out the ends of the arms and legs, you know, like crochet them shut. And so I'm thinking that maybe they're crocheted into the body, since I had to do them first. But I'm not sure. It might not be that way. I'm just wondering, I don't know, but we'll see, because I'm almost to that step. Anyway, so that's what I'm going to be making with that challenge kit, okay? So now with today's challenge kit, I need to figure out what I'm going to be making with that. Well, since I've got a little cute little pink safety nose, it'll be probably some sort of cute amigurumi, I suppose. So anyway, stay tuned and we'll see what I do with that one and how this one I'm working on now, how it turns out. So the movie, now while I was after I finished Little Women on Amazon, I noticed there was 2 more versions of Little Women that for free on, well, with Amazon Prime on there. You know, there's one that was like it was broken up into like episodes. I can't remember the actresses. I know one of them has got Emma Stone in it, playing one of the characters. I think that's who it is. I think. I didn't look at it that closely, but I did notice that there was 2. One of them was made by like PBS, Masterpiece Theater, and then the other one I can't remember who, but there's 2 versions of Little Women, so I might go ahead and watch both of those because I do like that story. In the book, I read the book. Oh, and there was a documentary on there. I think it's the one that was divided into episodes, and the very last one they had like a bonus thing, and I watched that one because it said it was a trailer. I thought it was a trailer to the movie or the show, but it wasn't. It was like a documentary thing, and it was talking about the Louisa May Alcott house. The house is like where she wrote Little Women, because the Little Women, of course, was a story of basically her life and her sisters. And so the orchard house where they lived in Little Women, it still exists, and that would be so cool to go and see Louisa May Alcott's house where she grew up. That would be awesome. But anyway, it's far from Texas though, and I'm not that much of a traveler, so I don't imagine I'll be going to New England anytime soon, but that would be awesome. If any of you've been there, let me know below in the description box. I'm assuming it's Massachusetts, since that's where the book is based, right? Concord in Massachusetts. I think that's right. Anyway, that would be cool. Anyway, so the movie I'm going to be watching for tomorrow, besides sneaking in these other Little Women versions sometime, but no, I'm going to watch Prancer because I talked about that yesterday. I had 2 I had picked out, so Prancer was the second one. It's also on Amazon Prime available, and I have seen that, but it's been many years since I've seen it, and I remember that it was a cute movie, so I'm going to watch that next. Okay, and let's see, so that's all yeah, that's what I worked on, these challenge kits during the Christmas movies. And that's basically what I've done today. Yeah, really. I cooked lunch, and then I'm in the process of making dinner. So what's for dinner? I'm cooking, I just finished cooking some chicken breasts in the Instant Pot, and then now I'm going to do something with it. I'm not sure. I'm kind of in the mood for some mashed potatoes, so probably make some mashed potatoes, and then just throw some side dishes together, or salad or something. I don't know. We'll see. But just a basic meat and side dishes, I think. This morning I took a notebook out, or pad of paper, or scratch paper. I will rewrite it when it gets finalized, but I was working on goals for 2022, crafty goals, and I was doing that. I was also working on I'm going to be hosting Christmas Day lunch here with my in-laws, and my mom is coming, and my son, daughter-in-law, and grandbaby, and my husband and I, and our other son. That's it, I think. So anyway, I'm hosting here like I did at Thanksgiving, and so I was working on the menu, trying to figure out side dishes. I think we're having ham. Yeah, ham and green bean casserole and cream corn. I'm going to make that cream corn recipe again that I made and took to a potluck. I'm going to tweak it just a little bit, but I think I'm going to make that. Pistachio fruit salad. Yeah, I think I'm going to do that. And I'm making a key lime pie. No bake. And maybe some brownies. Yeah. And then I'm not sure. The green bean casserole my daughter-in-law's making. Oh, and my husband's parents are going to bring tamales. So we're going to have ham and tamales. and then side dishes. Yeah, so still tweaking that, getting so I can have one more final grocery store trip to get the rest of the things I need. So that's what I did this morning. That crafty goal planning. So let me know in the description box what you normally fix for Christmas Day lunch. In my family growing up, we would have the same meal for Christmas Day lunch as we would have on Thanksgiving Day. That's just when my aunts and uncles, all my great aunts were alive. You know, they were big cooks, and that's what we would do. We would have the same thing we had for Thanksgiving, we would have for Christmas Day, the Christmas Day meal. So this time I'm doing a little different. I'm just having ham. I'm not having turkey. I'm not having dressing. So we're doing a little bit different. Some people I heard they do the meal for Christmas Day is totally different than Thanksgiving. So let me know in the description box. I'm curious as what you do for Christmas. If it's the same as Thanksgiving, the food that you have, or if it's different for Christmas Day. I'm curious. Okay, so I think that's it. I'm just kind of visiting and rambling with y'all right now. So this is Monday. We have a few more days until Christmas. Oh my goodness. It's coming quick. And so come back tomorrow and we will do Vlogmas Day 21, and Stitcher Library's coming up in just a couple of days. So I hope you stick around and check my videos out as they are posted. So thanks guys for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow in the next video. Bye!